In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hanging indent for an MLA Works cited page on Google Docs. A hanging indent is the standard MLA style for citations. The first line of each entry sits flush with the left margin, and every line after that is indented. This format makes it easy for readers to scan authors' names and navigate your sources quickly. Let's walk through it step by step so your Works cited page looks clean, consistent, and professional. Start by opening Google Docs and accessing your document. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new document and paste in your works cited entries. Once your document is open, place your cursor at the beginning of your works cited entry if you're formatting one citation, or highlight the entire works cited section if you want to format everything at once. Selecting everything in one go is the easiest way to keep your formatting consistent across all entries. Next, go to the top menu and click Format. From there, hover over a line and indent, and then click Indentation Options. This opens a small dialog box where you can control how your text is indented. In that dialog, look for the section labeled Special Indent. Click the drop-down menu and choose Hanging. This tells Google Docs to indent the second and subsequent lines of each paragraph while leaving the first line aligned to the left. Right below that, you'll see the indent size. The default is set to 0.5 inches, which follows MLA guidelines. In most cases, you should leave it at 0.5 inches. Only adjust this if your instructor or style guide specifies something different. When you're ready, click Apply. Your citations will update immediately. Now, review your formatting carefully. Each citation's first line should remain aligned to the left margin, and all following lines should be indented by ½ inch. If something doesn't look right, make sure you had the correct text selected, then repeat the steps to apply the hanging indent to the entire works cited section. A quick tip to keep everything consistent: apply the hanging indent to the entire works cited page at once, and then double check each entry for uniform spacing and alignment. This quick review helps catch any extra line breaks or irregular spacing that might throw off the look of your page. And that's it. Your works cited page now follows proper MLA formatting and is clean, readable, and ready to submit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.